The OA600 Raised Floor. It is a modular all-steel flooring system designed to meet the demands of modern offices, data centers, and intelligent buildings. With a standard 600 x 600 mm panel size and a high-strength cement-filled steel structure, it delivers exceptional load-bearing capacity, fire resistance, and long-term durability. Its open underfloor space allows for organized routing of power and data cables, efficient air distribution, and easy access for maintenance or upgrades. Height options from 50 mm to 300 mm make it adaptable to different project requirements, while surface finishes such as bare steel for carpet tiles, HPL, PVC, or ceramic meet both functional and aesthetic needs. Easy to install, reconfigure, and maintain, the OA600 Raised Floor is the ideal solution for creating safe, efficient, and future-ready interiors.